Well, here we are, day 5 of the renovation to put together this gorgeous townhouse. And so I'm heading down to take a look, and you're gonna get to see firsthand how far along we've got in let's see, we closed on Wednesday, demo was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and they started today doing the tile. So can't wait for you to see what's all has been done. Okay, hold on. So if you remember from the other day, that thing was empty. And now guess what? It is completely filled up. As a matter of fact, we had to close this door over here so we can keep everything inside. Okay, so I'm here with the A team. This is Gabriel's guys. Hold on one second, I'm gonna introduce you to Gabriel. Gabriel, say hello.
Hello.
Gabriel does all floors, remodeling. This is his other helper.
Hey.
And then this man, he is, well, you already met him once. So Gabriel is my star though. He is jack of all, does everything. We're talking plumbing, flooring, demoing, cleaning, you name it, he will do it for us. So, and he is gonna make this place gorgeous. Right now he has his own dumpster. So his dumpster is the one that's gonna get rolled away that we just filled up for the last 4 days. Okay, so Gabriel is one of his guys, does all the electrical. And so what they're gonna do for me is, this is an LED floodlight. And then on the floodlight, it has back here, and I'm very particular about my lighting, it has different, what is that called?
It's different shades
Kilns,
of
kilns,
light. Yeah.
kilns,
Yeah, of
kilns
lights.
of light. So that this way it either goes soft white, bright white,
To LED.
to LED. So it could look like somebody's
Up to 5K, yeah.
up to 5K. From
Yep.
what K to 5K?
So 2.7
Kelvins, it's
yeah.
called Kelvins.
Yep, 2.7 kelvins for 5K kelvins.
Okay, there we go. All right, so here we are on the inside again. Everything's out. Here's Omar. Hey, you're becoming a star.